Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vishnu Tiwari, and you all are welcome in our new channel, which is Sarvatra classes. In this channel, we will learn about the different chapters and the different topics such as geography, history, civics, polity, economics, and all these line by line. So, first of all, you have to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also you have to be consistent toward your studies. Whatever I am going to study you have to follow all these and you have to prepare the notes related to them. Okay, so today we are going to start with the geography. So first of all, we will discuss what actually geography is by discussing about the world geography. So let's start our topic by discussing about the geography. Okay, geography. Geography is a Greek word, Geography is a Greek word which is comprises of two words, geo and graphics. Geo means earth and graphics means description. So it basically means the descriptions of the earth. It was given by the Greek scholar named Eratosthenes. Okay, geo and graphic. Geo means earth and graphic means description. Description. So it basically means the description of the earth. Okay, so the next point we must notice, it was given by Greek scholar Eratosthenes 276 to 194 BC. Okay, so it was given by Greek scholar Eratosthenes. Okay, now what actually is geography? So geography is a relationship between the human as well as the nature. Okay, so it is a, we can say, both the physical as well as the human phenomena of the geography are we can say that they are very highly dynamic in nature. Okay, so we can say that both physical and human phenomena are dynamic in nature, or we can say highly dynamic in nature. How is it? So the answer to this question is that if any change occur to the nature, then it will affect the human, and if any change occur to the humans, then it will affect the nature also. So now we will discuss about the definitions of the geography given by the various scholars and geographers. Okay, so let's start this. I hope you all are noting this. Please note it down. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss about the Richard Hartson. What Richard Hartson ideology was related to the geography. Okay, what he said about the geography. So Richard Hartson. First of all, I would like to motivate you by saying that this is a very easy topic. The more you will learn from this, the more you will be motivated from this. Okay, so don't feel that you are not going to learn this, you are not going to you're not going to be able to do that. Okay, you will definitely do that if you are consistent towards your work. Okay, and I think that all the people who are watching this video will be consistent with my videos till the end. Okay, so what Richard Hudson said, Richard Hudson says that geography is concerned with the description as well as the explanation of the aerial differences of the earth's surface. Okay, so he said that geography is concerned with the description and explanation of the aerial differences of the Earth's surface. Okay. So what he said? He said that geography is concerned with the description as well as the explanation of the aerial differences of the Earth's surface. Okay. Now there was also another scholar whose name was Alfred Wegener. What he said? So first of all, the another scholar was Alfred Wegener. What he said? He said that geography studies the differences of phenomena that usually occurs into the Earth's surface. Okay. He said geography studies the differences of phenomena that usually occur in Earth's surface. Okay guys, so note it down. I am giving you 2 seconds time. Just take the screenshot of it. Okay. Now you know that what is the difference between geography and history. So geography, the approach of geography is spatial synthesis, whereas the approach of history is temporal synthesis. Okay, so we can say it has spatial synthesis as approach, and the nature of geography is holistic. Okay, so it is holistic in nature. Holistic in nature. Okay, now we will discuss geography as a relation between human and environment. Okay, so there are two ideologies that defines the geography as the relations between the human and environment. So these two ideologies are possibilism and determinism. Okay, let's see this. Geography as a relation between human and environment. Okay, so it has two ideologies. The first one is possibilism and second one is determinism. So what is the meaning of possibilism and determinism? Possibilism means, or we can say according to possibilism, the humans can transform the nature accordingly, and this ideology was supported by Vidal de la Blas. Remember this name. So what possibilism means? It means human can transform nature accordingly, and it was supported by Vidal de la Blas. Okay, now coming towards the determinism, then according to this ideology, the environment or nature can transform the human activities, so it is totally opposite to the possibilism. So nature can transform human activities and it was supported by Frederick Russell and Ellsworth Huntington. Supported by Frederick Russell and Ellsworth Huntington. These were the two names of the scholars. So friends, please note down this. I am giving you 2 seconds of time. Just take a screenshot of it. Okay. Okay friends. Now we are going to study about the concept of human environment. So there are 3 concepts of human environment. Okay. Concept of human environment. So there are 3 concepts. So first one is concept of determinism. What it states? It states, or we can say it is based on the notion that environment has a massive and controlling powers over the humans. Okay, so it is based on the notion that environment has a massive and controlling impact over human. It states, or we can say it is based on the notion that environment has a massive and controlling we can say controlling impact over the humans. Okay, now the second one, or the second concept, is concept of possibilism. Concept of possibilism. Okay, so this concept explains the human environment relationship, taking human as an active agent. Okay, so it is totally opposite to the above we can say concept, but here the main agent is human. So this concept explain the human environment relationship taking man as active agent. Okay, now coming towards the third concept, which is the concept of neo-determinism. So it was given by the Griffin Taylor in the 1920s, and it is, we can say, a mixture of both the determinism, environment determinism, and as well as the human possibilism. Okay, so the next one is concept of neo-determinism. It is a synthesis of the environment determinism and possibilism given by Griffin Taylor in 1920s. So given by Griffin Taylor in 1920, and it is synthesis of both environment determinism and possibilism, and it is also known as stop and go determinism. Okay, so also known as stop and go determinism. Okay, so friends, we have completed about the concepts of the human environment. Okay, so please note it down. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Okay, just take the screenshot of. Okay. Okay friends, so I am going to erase it. Now we are going to discuss about the branches of geography. Okay, so you know that the study of any subject is done by, we can say, some approaches. Okay, let me finish it. Then after we are going to discuss about the branches of geography. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the branches of geography. So branches of geography. So if we are going to study about any subject, then first of all we have to, we can say, follow some of the approaches to study that particular subject. So the main approaches that are being followed for the study of the geography are systematic as well as the regional approach. Okay, systematic approach and regional approach. So first of all we will discuss about the systematic approach. So what is systematic approach? We will discuss it later, but first of all we will know that who gave the term systematic approach. Then it was given by the German geographer Alexander von Humboldt. So given by Alexander von Humboldt. Okay, now what is this systematic approach? In the systematic approach we discuss any phenomena by taking it as a world as a whole. Okay, and after that the identification or the spatial pattern is done. Okay, so in this, any phenomena is discussed taking world as a whole, taking world as a whole, and then identification or spatial pattern is done. Spatial pattern is done. Okay, now we will discuss about the branches of geography on the basis of this systematic approach. Okay, so please note it down. I am giving you 2 seconds of time. Just take the screenshot of it. Okay, so we are going to study the branches of geography on the basis of systematic approach. On the basis of systematic approach. Systematic approach. Okay. So the first one is physical. The first one is physical. The second one is principles. Principle, or we can say philosophy. And the third one is methods and techniques. And the fourth one is human. So on the basis of the systematic approach, the branches of geography is studied into four parts, which is physical, and the second one is principle or philosophy, the third one is methods and techniques, and the fourth one is humans, in which physical and humans, these constitute the biogeography. Okay, so these form the biogeography. Okay friends, please note it down. After that we will discuss them one by one. Okay. Okay friends, so now I am going to erase this. Now we will discuss the first one, which is physical geography. Okay, so what is physical geography? So it is also divided into four parts. Physical geography is also divided into four parts. First one is geomorphology, second is climatology, third is hydrology, and the fourth is soil geography. Let us discuss them one by one. So we will discuss physical geography. First one is geomorphology. So it is devoted to the study of the various landforms, their evolution, and also to the related processes related to the landforms. Okay, so it is devoted to the study of landforms, their evolution, and related process. Okay, now the second one is climatology. The second one is climatology. I hope that you all are understanding my handwriting well, but it doesn't seem that much, we can say, beautiful, but I will try to improve my handwriting. So we will discuss about the climatology. So it is, we can say, in this we studies about the atmosphere, the climate, the weather, and their types, and also the variations within the region also. Okay, so it is the study of it is the study of atmosphere, it is the study of the atmosphere and climates, their types, and variability in regions. Okay, now the third one is hydrology. So it basically deals with the water bodies such as sea, ocean, lakes, ponds, etc. Okay, so the third one is hydrology. Hydrology, so it deals with the oceans, it deals with water bodies, deals with water bodies, example oceans, sea, lakes, rivers, etc. And the third one is soil geography. So it is, we can say, the distribution. In this we study about the distribution as well as the variability of the soil, ranging from the local to the global regions. Okay, so the fourth one is soil geography. Okay, so in this we study the in this we the distribution and variability of the soil and variability of soil, ranging from local to global places. Okay, so friends, this was, we can say, physical geography. Now please note it down or just take the screenshot of time of this, and I'm giving you 2 seconds of time. Okay. Okay friends, I hope you all have noted it down. Now we will discuss about the human geography, which was the fourth when we have discussed about the systematic approach. Okay. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the human geography. So it is very easy, we can say, because it is divided into 5 parts. Okay, so these 5 parts are social or cultural, we can say, geography, and the second one is population and settlement geography. The third one is historical geography. Fourth one is economical geography, and the fifth one is political geography. So there is nothing more related to them, but we will still discuss about them. Okay, so first one is social and cultural geography. Social and cultural geography. Okay, second one is population and settlement geography. Settlement geography. The third one is economical geography. Economical geography. And the fourth one is historical geography. Historical geography. And the last one, we can say, the fifth one is political geography. Political geography. Now we will discuss them one by one. So coming towards the social and cultural geography, so it basically defines the society and the cultural activities that are being done in the societies. So it defines our society and cultural activities. Okay, the second one is population and settlement geography. Okay, so in this we discuss, or we can see, we define about the population growth, sex ratio, population density, and etc. There are lots of about that we discuss about the population, such as the migration and all these things. Okay, so we discuss we discuss population growth, population growth, sex ratio, density, of population and we can say migration. Okay, now coming towards the economical geography, then in economical geography we discuss about the economic activities in which the people are engaged, okay, such as agriculture, we can say industrial and trade, and we can say trade, and there are lots of active tourist also. Okay, so the economic activities, the economic activities in which people are engaged, example agriculture, trade, tourism, industry, etc. Okay, now coming toward the historical geography. What is historical geography? In this geography we discuss about the, we can say, the historical activities due to which the space get organized, or we can say the space was formed. Okay, the historical activities, or we can say process, that formed the space or organized it. Okay, organized it. Now coming towards the political geography, so it is very important because in this we discuss about the relationship between the nation's political boundaries and the delimitation of the constituencies and the elections process. All these things we discuss in the political geography. So we discuss political boundaries, interstate relation, international relation, delimitation relation of constituencies and election scenario. I hope you all are understanding what I'm trying to make you understand. Okay, so just please make it note down and just take the screenshot of it. I'm giving you 2 seconds of time. Okay friends, now I'm going to erase it. Now we will discuss about the biogeography, and which is the last topic of the systematic approach. So what is biogeography? So both the physical geography and the human geography together constitute the biogeography. So first of all, we will discuss about the biogeography. Okay friends, so now we are going to discuss about the biogeography. Friends, now we are going to discuss about the biogeography. So it is divided into 4 parts. The first one is plant geography, the second is zoo geography, and the third one is, we can say, ecology or ecosystem, and the fourth one, which is ecological geography, environmental geography. So what is plant geography? It basically deals with the study of the, we can say, natural vegetation in their habitats. And in the same way, the geography, it deals with the we can say study of the animals in their natural habitats. And the ecosystem or ecology is the scientific study of these, we can say, habitats characteristic of the species. And in the same way, the environment geography is, we can say, it is defined by the interactions between the human and environment. So all this I have already written into the whiteboard. Just note it down and just make the note of it. Just take the screenshot of it. Okay. Okay friends, I am going to erase it. Now we are going to discuss about the branches of geography on the basis of the regional approach. Okay, So on the basis of regional approach, we are going to discuss about the branches of geography. Branches of geography on the basis of regional approach. So it was given by Carl Ritter. Okay, it was given by Carl Ritter. So first of all, note it down. Given by Carl Ritter. Okay. So what it is, it defines, or we can say the regional approach defines the world as a region, and then after that the study is done into the particular region. Okay. According to this, the world is defined as a region, is divided into many regions, divided into many regions, and study of particular region is done individually. Region is done individually. Individually. Okay. So it is divided into four approach. We can say it is divided into four parts. Okay. So the first one is regional approach. Regional approach. Regional development. Development. Regional oh god, I have just sorry for this little mistake. Regional, okay, regional analysis and regional planning. Just note it down, and we will discuss them, all of them, further while we will be studying about the geography. Okay, so we will discuss them, but for today we have discussed what basically geography is. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for giving your precious time towards this lecture, and I hope you have learned a lot from this. And next lecture that I am going to prepare is about the universe.